perseverance, with sacrifice continuously. And even then, he may not be able to reach to the height he has set for himself. So this is the sense of amana as mentioned in the Holy Quran. Allah Ta'ala told Hazrat Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam the perfect path, the perfect way to all that is excellent in every region. Human beings can acquire certain excellences in various regions, in various fields of human activity. All that had been revealed in the Holy Quran to the last limit. And it was told to Hazrat Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam to demonstrate it to the people. How immense the task is. For instance, truth. To say one should be truthful is an easy thing. It's easy to say that. But to become a truthful person in reality, under stress, that is a very difficult thing. People who are truthful by ordinary standards or even by the standards of people who are themselves truthful is, to begin with, it appears to be all right. But when such people who are considered very truthful in the society are put under greater stresses, they break down. They begin to think of excuses to wriggle out of that situation through some lies or some similar lies. So Hazrat Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was expected to demonstrate every quality that was praised in the Holy Quran to its maximum excellence to the whole mankind. So this is the meaning of that amana which could break the back of mountains. And yet he accepted it knowing full well the responsibility and the extent of it and performed that duty. That is the beauty of Hazrat Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. How much he might have suffered quietly and privately, you can't imagine. In so many regards, he had to attain the very summit of things, the very climax in each quality. And it is not an easy job. You can experience it yourself. People think that he was made a prophet and perfect man as if it happened like this, ordinarily. He had to put in a lot of labor, day and night. He had to stand up in the night before God and praying to Him and trying to reach, the very maximum of the import of the teachings. So this is how a prophet was born, the prophet of the greatest quality. And Allah knew how much he had to suffer. We didn't know. So it was essential for Allah to let us know that these good qualities did not come his way easily as if they were sent by Allah and he received them. He had to put in a lot of labor. And the word zaluma indicates that labor. He had to deny himself many pleasures at every step of life, during day and during night, regarding all human spheres of activity. This is how he attained those great lofty heights. So this is the amana to which he was made ameen, and rightly so. Right? Already we have overshot the time fixed, generally fixed, not exactly, but generally fixed for such sessions. We consider the last limit to be 9 o'clock. And already it is 20 minutes past. So I hope nobody would mind if we call it a day. Right? if you have any other questions, you can wait till tomorrow, Mr. Abdul Rashid sir. All right? Because I feel signs of tiring on some faces. Assalamu alaikum.